Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Wonderfully Made. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. I pray that you guys are all safe and doing well during this COVID-19 pandemic. As always, I just want to encourage you all to just stay safe, protect yourselves and others, and we will get through this. Well, I have an unboxing for you guys. I bought another mystery vault from House of Sillage. I recently purchased the Island Escape mystery vault, and oh my goodness, I think I'm hooked. Wow, I just could not resist when I saw that this mystery vault came back in stock. I did film a video about the Island Escape mystery vault, and if you guys are interested in seeing that, I will leave that in the description bar below, as well as the cards up here on the screen. So I did purchase the Infinite Love for Her mystery vault as of April 22nd. As of right now, while I'm filming this video, it is still available. It is $296, and you are guaranteed to get products valued at $593. And so anyway guys, I am very excited, and so I decided to open it with you guys and do a proper unboxing. And so it came in, it did come in this box here, and I did sanitize the boxes. You know, we can't be too careful. It has this information card inside, which shows you all of the different lipsticks that they have, all of the different colors with lip swatches. So that's that. It comes with a little thank you note, a little thank you card, which is, I think, a nice touch. And then it has these 3 little flowers. And so this is the box that it came in. Very nice packaging, very elegant, very luxurious feeling. I absolutely love the packaging. The ribbon is very pretty. It's white with silver writing that says House of Sillage. And so I'm just going to take the ribbon off. The box has the magnetic closure. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's wrapped in tissue that says House of Sillage, and it has the silver sticker on there that says House of Sillage. Like I said, very reminiscent of most luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci. You pretty much get this type of packaging in any type of luxury purchase that you would make. And so I'm just going to open this up really quickly. I really don't, my camera died and I really don't know where I left off. So this is what it looks like inside the box. I did mess up the packaging a little bit because, like I said, I thought I was recording and I was not. Everything is bubble wrapped. Very nice packaging, and I like this little touch that you can actually expand the box, which makes everything a little bit easier to take out. Okay, and so this is the first box, and we're gonna look at this together. I did take the bubble wrap off of it, but let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, I had to get in focus. But this is the box that it came in. I hope the light isn't washing it out too much. There you go. The box opens like this. Oh my goodness. And then this comes down, and there it is. Oh my goodness. It comes with a little cleaning cloth and a little information card about this fragrance. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, I'm a hypocrite. I may not have been completely honest when I said what I said when I filmed the video of my last mystery vault. I said that I didn't really care for the cupcake packaging of their full-sized perfumes. Well, I stand to be corrected. I love this. The pictures online do not do these justice. This thing is absolutely beautiful. And although once I use all the perfume in here, I can't reuse the bottle, this is definitely a keepsake. I mean, I'm definitely going to keep it as decor for my vanity or somewhere in my purse case or something, just to add a little extra flavor to the area. But oh my goodness, this is beautiful, guys. Let me see what scent this is. So this is the Whispers of Time. If I'm not mistaken, all of the packaging for the full-sized fragrances are adorned with over 150 Swarovski crystals. And oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This video and the photos online do not do this justice, because in person it is absolutely stunning. It is adorned with the Swarovski crystals all along the side here. It says House of Sillage right here, more Swarovski crystals, and then it says House of Sillage right here. And of course the top is embedded with Swarovski crystals as well. This is 75 mils or 2.5 ounces of perfume. And let me go ahead and smell it. I actually like it. I can't really describe the scent right now, but it's something really familiar about this scent. Now, I will be honest, it's not the type of scent that I normally gravitate towards, but I do like it, and it's definitely going to be a wonderful addition to my perfume collection. It's fresh and citrusy for sure. I'm terrible at describing scents, but okay, so the top notes are bergamot, tunison, can't pronounce that, so I'll put it on the screen here. Neroli. Heart notes are orange blossom and ginger, and then the base notes are cedar and musk. I can definitely smell that citrus part of the fragrance, as well as the bergamot and the musk, and that cedar almost gives it a I don't know how to describe it, but it makes it almost like a woodsy type of scent. I cannot wait to wear it to see how it actually performs with my body chemistry, but oh, I do like it. I do like it. And then the more it sits on my arm, the more I'm liking it. So I'm happy with this. I'm very, very happy with it. Like, this scent smells like a grown woman, okay? This is an adult scent. I love it. So it came with one lipstick. In the previous mystery box, if you recall, it came with 3 lipsticks and a lipstick case. Now, the only thing I am praying that this lipstick case is not the same color that I got in my last mystery vault, because as you know, with mystery vaults, you get what you get. You can't choose. Okay, so the lipstick that I got for this is in the shade King, which that is a good start, because this shade did not come with the previous mystery box. By the way, I am wearing one of the shades now, which is called Duchess. So here's the box for the lipstick case, and it does come with the magnetic closure, of course. Oh my goodness, and I just noticed what this says here. It says, inspiration and empowerment wrapped in the opulent beauty of the bow. That's really sweet. I really like that. It's actually written in silver, I don't think you can see it. I think the lights are too bright, but here's the white leather case. I mean, you just can't beat this packaging. It comes in a beautiful box. Then it comes in this really nice leather case in the shape of a bow. It's white. It says House of Sillage in silver, which is the theme. Then it comes in a little white pouch. I mean, you cannot beat the packaging on this stuff. So let's, thank you. Yes, thank you, Lord. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I didn't get the same color. I got the blue one. Hope the camera's picking it up. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. It's like a Tiffany blue. It is so pretty. And again, like the last one, it is embedded all along the edges and the center with Swarovski crystals. It has House of Sillage written in the center here. Absolutely stunning. And let me go ahead and show you guys how you insert the lipstick. So the lipstick refills come in either silver casing or gold. And I believe the lipsticks are $30 if I'm not mistaken. And like I said, this one is in the shade King, which I do not have. Oh, okay, it's a red lipstick. Okay, it comes in this little silver bullet. You take it off. It has this little plastic top on there, and then you just pull it out of the silver bullet casing. Okay. Then you open up the bow, and it just pops open. And one side of the bow has like a little raised section, if you can see that. The lipstick case is going to be placed in the section with the little raised portion right here. And then you just stick it in there and push it down until you hear it snap in. Take the plastic top off, and then the case. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay, had a little trouble closing it there. There is like a little groove that you have to line up so that it can snap on, which makes it very secure once it's closed. And then you just have to, you know, it does require a little bit of pressure, a little bit of muscle to open it, you know, and then it just snaps back. So again, in this mystery vault, I received the Whispers of Time perfume and the blue lipstick case, along with the lipstick refill in the shade King, which is a red lipstick. Let me go ahead and swatch that for you guys. And once you snap it in here, you just turn it to, you know, get the lipstick out. So very pretty red. Seems like a very universal shade of red that will complement just about any skin tone. And of course, anytime I have a lipstick that may not be as flattering as I would like it to be, I can always correct that with the lip liner. So yeah, so anyway, I am very happy with my package. So yeah guys, that's all I have for this video. Like I said, the Infinite Love Mystery Vault is still available. Also, the Island Escape Mystery Vault is still available. It actually sold out, but when I checked the website earlier, it was back in stock. They also have a couple of other mystery vaults, and I believe they also have a Mother's Day set that is now available. I am hooked. Okay, so yeah guys, that's all I have for this video. Thank you again so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you've tried any fragrances from House of Sillage that you absolutely love and you think that I might love, comment below, let me know about it. So thanks again. As always, remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God, and He loves you, and I'll see you in the next video.